YouTube channel, and today I'm going to talk about omega-3. So before starting the video, there is this brand, my own brand, Ironx Official. It is a clothing brand, so do check it out. I'm going to leave the link down in description. There are masks that we have launched recently. Other than that, there are clothes, there are t-shirts and cut sleeves and other stuff, so do check it out. And they are also on very affordable prices, so do check it out. And I can guarantee you the quality of products is amazing. I personally took care of it, and all of us who work together, three of us, like me, Akshat and Himanshu, specifically take care of about the quality of the material. So I can guarantee you, assure you that it is amazing. So do check it out, and if you like it, do order them, and they are at a very reasonable price. So thank you. Now next is, let us get into the video. That is omega-3. So omega-3 is a good fat, which first of all, this myth that fat is not good for us. We need all the three macronutrients, that is the carbs, the proteins and the fats. Now fats, what type of fats we need is important. There are good fats and bad fats. I'm sure you might know that. Omega-3 is the good fat that our body needs. Avoiding the bad fats is important. Bad fats are the trans fats, the saturated fats, the fats that we get from processed cheese or processed butters, or maybe some oils that we use to cook food. These are the things that we need to avoid. Now good fats are we can get them in dry fruits. It is available in egg yolk. Then there is, if you can afford, or you can find actually a pure cow ghee, that is also having good fats in it. What else? These are the examples I remember for now. Now let us get into the benefits of omega-3. Why is it that we should take it, and how can it actually benefit it? So first and foremost, it actually helps you improve your vision. Omega-3 helps improving vision. So those people who have specs and have certain number, not just zero number specs, certain number of specs, they can actually take omega-3. Omega-3 might help them improving their vision. It is one of the benefits that omega-3 gives us. The second is, it helps in decreasing depression or anxiety. It helps in brain health. That is the reason why when we were kids, our parents used to give us all those milk powders. Those milk powders used to have omega-3, EPA and DHA. EPA and DHA are those two things that helps us brain to develop, or give it that nourishment that our brain need for it to function more efficiently, which is why we all give kids in early ages those milk powders, and we try to give them EPA and DHA, add EPA and DHA in their diet. And omega-3 helps in promoting that brain health. So that is one thing. And of course, because it is helping our brain get better, obviously it helps in fighting with depression and anxieties, or avoiding depression and anxiety. It can help you. I am not saying that it's going to cure, but it can help you. It can give you a little bit of edge. If you're feeling very low and you feel depressed and anxious all the time, omega-3 might help you. You can at least try. Then next thing is, it helps in our heart health, and I guess most of us know that omega-3 helps in people who are suffering from problems like cholesterol. Omega-3 helps cutting down that bad cholesterol from your body. That is generally people have triglyceride very high in their body, which is when they get this complaint or that disease of having a high cholesterol bad cholesterol in their bodies. So omega-3 actually help cut that bad cholesterol out. So that is another benefit, very important benefit, because mostly those people who are suffering with problems like cholesterol end up having cardiac arrest or problem related to it, forming those clots and other things like that. So it is very important for those people to first and foremost go to doctors, and also adding omega-3 can help. I'm sure your doctor is also going to give you omega-3. They do that. So my own mother suffered from high cholesterol, so I know that. And now moving on, it also helps in decreasing inflammation in body. It helps in calming our body down. Then next is, it helps in reducing fat in your liver. Sometimes it happens that when your liver is not healthy, it starts storing fat. Actually, because it starts storing fat, it is vice versa. It is not healthy because it is storing fat, and it is storing fat because it is not healthy. So to get that fat out of that liver, that bad fat, that stored fat out of that liver, omega-3 helps in that. It helps reducing the fats from the liver, and that is very important, because fatty liver could not function that efficiently as efficiently a normal liver can. So it is important for us to keep our organs healthy as well. So omega-3 helps in improving the condition of your liver, as it reduces fat in your liver. Then another thing, and very important thing, that is how I was introduced to omega-3. Bodybuilders, people like me who do strength lifting or any heavy workout or any sports, take omega-3 or fish oil, because it has omega-3 in it, because to support their bones and their joints. Omega-3 actually helps in having you more healthier joints and healthier bones. It gives your bones and joints nourishment that is needed, so it helps in that. I remember I fell sick, I had typhoid, and after that almost every joint in my body, I'm so sorry, every joint in my body used to pain like hell. I was in a terrible position. It was a year or two back, I guess 2 years back, when I had this thing. Yeah, it was 2 years back, and I was in a terrible condition, and that is when they actually gave the doctor actually recommended me with omega-3, and I started taking it, and eventually it did work for me. And people recommend it, even I recommend it to people who take plans from me, because it is important to keep our bones and our joints healthy, because they are the basic structure of your body. If they are having faults, you are going to definitely face problems in your life. So it is very important to keep your basic structure of your body nice as well. It helps your skin glow, and obviously when it is helping your body so much, like in the brain, it is helping you sleep well, it is improving your liver health, it is actually giving your body so many benefits. It is going to show up on your face as well. So the last benefit is that it gives a glowing skin to you, a better skin to you. So to add omega-3 in your diet, it is a wonderful thing to have. Omega-3 is a fat that is important for us. It is a good fat. It is available in egg yolk, it is available in dry fruits, and it is also available in fish, which is why people take fish oil. So these are the 3 things I know for sure, and I hope you like the video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel Inspiring Side, and yet again, do not forget to check out my website, my brand, that is Iron X Official. I'm going to leave the link down below, so do check it out and do let me know if there's any suggestions about what you want to see next, or any suggestions regarding my company, that anything you would want us to launch. Do let us know. Do check this out and keep supporting me and keep loving me the way you are. I love you guys so very much. Be happy, be safe. Bye bye.